wohin My name is Jannika. I am your German teacher. Today I'd like to teach you the neutral article, which is called das. So there are two parts. Please watch both of them. And yeah, have fun. So let's start with part number 1. Today we are going to learn 2 suffixes for nouns which are neutral. The first one is chen. I know it's difficult to pronounce. Once more. Chen. Example giving das Mädchen. Chen is a diminutive and it indicates everything which is very small. Another example would be das Kätzchen, the catling. The cat, die Katze, the catling, das Kätzchen.